Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you our drive through the rolling landscapes and into the Bromfield Swamp. Take note, in the video I said Bloomfield, but no, it's Bromfield Swamp. Keep on watching. Wow.
Isn't it beautiful?
Is that all of Malanda?
Yeah, Amanda, right through to Atherton, right through to Bones Knob, Tolga.
Wow.
Bartle Freer over there. They've not long finished tarring this road. Yeah, we live in a very beautiful place, you know that, don't you? Oh yeah. There's about 40,000 more people there.
I love the views.
Driving the hell out of there. That way out of here. Upstairs, over next to big silicon right outside. You can see it's a big crater. And the jabberoos come there every year. And they come from the paddocks around Youngaborough, they fly into here to roost for the night.
Yep.
We used to go up there sometimes just before dark and watch them coming in. Beautiful sight, watching them flying in.
Yeah, super green at the moment, eh? Everything.
There it is.
Wrong side here.
Oh, okay. Google that because I've never seen a jabber before.
Big long so they can go through the mud and the marshes. What sort of birds out of the block there?
All sorts of There's a little one out there.
Welcome to my channel. This is the Bromfield Swamp. See the nice view. It's beautiful, isn't it? This is my first time to come here. Alright. We better get track. See? I love it here. It's very relaxing to look. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.